and I try to imitate Jesus, and I'm not saying I am Jesus. I'm not saying
we're clear on that.
Right, I'm trying to imitate Jesus in the fact that he said to be like children, to love children, to be as pure as children are, and to make yourselves as innocent and see the world through eyes of wonderment and the whole magical quality.
Hello friends, welcome back to Signature Turned Autograph. I am Aaron Dias, founder and CEO of Signature Turned Autograph, MC by hobby and student by profession. So let's start with today's video. Merry Christmas to one and all. May Jesus Christ bless you and your family. In this video, I'm gonna tell you all what some famous personalities had to say about Jesus. So let's start. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of a nation. We all know that Mahatma Gandhi said he likes Christ but not Christians. But Mahatma Gandhi had to say something more about Jesus. Here is a short clip.
Did you know that Mahatma Gandhi read through the whole Bible, Old Testament and New Testament? Did you know that he actually conducted Bible study sessions? And that for 40 years, daily, morning and evening, he read it from the Sermon on the Mount. He considered the Sermon on the Mount part of his own scripture. The Sermon on the Mount had a transforming impact on Mahatma Gandhi and helped him to become the non-violent person he wanted to become. Louis Fisher, the biographer of Mahatma Gandhi, when he visited the ashram of Mahatma Gandhi, was surprised that there was hardly anything there. But there was one image upon the wall, and that was of Jesus with the words, "He is our peace."
Swami Vivekananda was the admirer of Jesus Christ. When he used to travel, he had nothing but only two books with him. One is Bhagavad Gita and the book The Limitation of Christ. This is what Swami Vivekananda had to say about Jesus. Had I lived in Palestine in the days of Jesus of Nazareth, I would have washed his feet, not with my tears, but with my heart's blood. Do we read our Holy Bible? Michael Jackson said, "I will never stop helping and loving people the way Jesus said to." Here is a short clip.
And I see children with you and they play with you like you are one of them. But a child did not do this. A child did not put this together.
Oh, that's sweet.
Yeah, this is really magnificent.
Well, thank you. I love to do things for children, and I try to imitate Jesus. And I'm not saying I am Jesus. I'm not saying
we're clear on that.
Right. I'm trying to imitate Jesus in the fact that he said to be like children, to love children, to be as pure as children are, and to make yourselves as innocent and see the world through eyes of wonderment and the whole magical quality of it all. And I love that. And we have the children, like we'll have like 100 bald-headed children here who they all have cancer, and they're running around and they're enjoying themselves, and it just makes me cry happy tears that I was able to do that for them.
Do we help others? Steve Harvey said, "A lot of times God will present you with a blessing and a plan, but if you don't act on it, it will go away." Here is a short clip.
When I was homeless, I told God, I say, if you let me make it, when I get there, I'm gonna tell everybody about you. So now here I am right now. I'm telling you that it was him. It was not my education. It wasn't who I knew. It wasn't no deal I struck. It was cause of prayer. I just kept praying.
Do we pray? Elon Musk, the richest person on planet. Here is what he has to say about Jesus.
I agree with the principles that Jesus advocated, and there's great wisdom in the teachings of Jesus, and I agree with those teachings. And things like turn the other cheek are very important, because as opposed to an eye for an eye. An eye for an eye leaves everyone blind. So forgiveness, is important, and treating people as you would wish to be treated. Love thy neighbor as thyself. Very important.
What do you have to say about Jesus? Do comment down. As the year is ending, let's try to change at least one bad habit. So this was the experience of some famous personalities about Jesus. You can also check out my other videos like the story of Dominic D'Souza, first Goan HIV patient, Dr. Pramod Sawant, current CM of Goa, and so on. Do you know anyone who has worked hard to achieve success? Or who is working for the betterment of society? Or do you have any love story to share like Nitesh Prajapat and Dimple Palmer? Or would you like to say thank you to your closed ones for all their efforts? Then you are free to contact us. ताणे आमच्या पासत आपलो जीव दिलो. हाच्या वेल्यान मोग कितें तें आमी वळखूंक पावल्या. तशेंच आमी आमच्या भाव भयणां खातीर आमचो जीव दिवंक जाय.